Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to understand probability for year 9 and 10 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Probability. We are calculating the probability where the event is not happening. The probability that an event does not happen. If A is an event, then A bar or A dash is the event that A does not happen, and that will be given as probability of A bar or probability of A dash, which is the same thing, which will be given as 1 minus probability of A. Why we are subtracting from 1? Because the total probability is 1. Let's see one example to understand this. Research shows that the probability of a person being right-handed is 0.77. How many left-handed people would you expect in a population of 25,000? They have given us the probability of the right-handed people. Let's write down here probability of right-handed people is given as 0.77. I need to calculate the probability of left-handed people. The probability of left-handed people will be given as 1 minus 0.77. If you want to subtract it, you will be written as 1.00 minus 0.77. If you subtract it, your answer will be equal to 0.23. This shows you that the probability of the left-handed people is 0.23. I need to calculate the number of people in the population of 25,000. So to calculate this, I need to multiply this probability with 25,000. Let's multiply this here. 25,000 should be multiplied by 0.23. If you move this decimal 2 units to the right and write down as 23, this will be written as 25,000 times 23 divided by 100. 2 zeros will got cancelled from here. That will be written as 250 times of 23. I need to multiply 25 times 23. Let's see the Vedic method to multiply that. 25 times of 23. How are we going to multiply this? We are going to multiply 5 times 3, which is 15. So in 15, I will write down 5 here and 1 carry over here. Then I will multiply 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, which I will write down in the left hand side. Then I need to multiply 2 and 3, 5 and 2, and I need to add it. 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 plus 10. If I do 6 plus 10, my answer is 16. But there is already 1 carry over here. So that will be 17 here. For 17, you will write down 7 here and 1 carry over here. Let's write down the answer here. 5, 7, 4 plus 1, 5. Your answer is 575. So the multiplication of 25 times 23 is 575. But 1 0 is already here. So I will put 1 0 in front of that. That will be the number of people. This shows you that there are 5,750 left-handed people in the population of 25,000. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.